This week, improvements to how leads are captured, payment is collected, and much more. Hi everyone, I'm Mel Kozun, a Director of Strategic Partnerships here at Vendasta. I have some really exciting new releases to share with you today. First up, Instagram has joined the list of networks you can integrate with Inbox. Connect a professional Instagram account to bring DMs right into Inbox, alongside messages from Facebook, AI web chat, forms, SMS, and email. When a customer sends your Instagram account a DM, that message will appear in Inbox, where anyone from your team can respond through Instagram or move the conversation to SMS or email. Instagram messaging integration is now available in Inbox in Business app for all users. Previously, the Inbox Pro's AI-assisted web chat could answer questions it had been trained on from a business's profile in Business app and from the custom knowledge that was manually added when setting up the widget. I'm so excited because now the AI assistant can easily be trained from all the text on a business's website, empowering it to answer more questions and provide a great experience for website visitors. It's super easy to set up. Go to Inbox Settings, click Configure Web Chat, and then Add Knowledge. You'll see a new option for website. Add a URL and a name for the website, and then choose if you'd like it to train on just one page, find all pages on a site by following links, or find pages by following a sitemap. When you click Next, it will find all available pages on the site. Select which pages you'd like the AI to train itself on, and save. In a few minutes, the AI web chat widget will be able to answer questions using text found on the pages it was trained on. This is also a great time to make sure information on your website is up to date. The AI web chat's increased intelligence will benefit your local business clients and their potential customers. By training itself on the information a business has already published on their website, AI web chat can respond to a wider range of inquiries accurately and confidently. This means more leads will get instant answers to their questions 24/7 without having to wait for someone to get back to them. And since your clients and their employees won't have to spend time responding to those initial inquiries, they can focus on closing deals with leads that are ready to buy and expanding relationships with existing customers. Training your web chat with a website is now available to all users of Inbox Pro in Business app and Inbox in Partner Center. Have clients that haven't upgraded to Inbox Pro yet? Demo it for them by going to Inbox Settings in Business app, down to the My Listing chat widget settings, and clicking Configure Web Chat to train your demo web chat on a website. Press Try It Out today to see how it can answer questions from knowledge learned from your website. Customizing posts by account in social marketing is a great way to tailor content to suit different networks without sacrificing the efficiency of creating content for multiple channels at once. Whether creating a single post or bulk creating with AI, you can toggle between different accounts from tabs at the top of the text box to seamlessly adjust content for each one. By tracking calls through advertising intelligence, you can measure the impact an ad campaign is having on a local business's phone traffic. Previously, connecting Telmetrics Call Tracking had to be done by Vendasta's marketing services team. Now, you and your clients can connect their call tracking accounts to advertising intelligence directly and start tracking calls immediately, rather than waiting for the connection to be done for you. To connect an account, find the Telmetrics card on the Connections page under Settings. When you click the plus sign, you'll be prompted to enter an API key. Save that, and then select which numbers you want to track. Once you've connected the desired accounts, you'll see them show in the Telmetrics tab under Phone Calls. Many areas of Partner Center and Business app are getting facelifts these days, and automations is the latest. You can easily zoom in to inspect a specific step and then back out to view a multi-step automation in its entirety. The branches are a consistent color, and you can scroll around in any direction to follow branches as they span out. Spacing between actions and positioning of banners and other components have been tightened up for a more uniform experience. Go have a cruise around an automation and see it for yourself. Several months ago, we introduced automations to Business app so that you could help your clients streamline their workflows and build tailored experiences for their customers. If your agency wants to run automations in the background without client input, you can remove it from the view in Business app. Update this setting at any time from the Automations tab in Customize Business App Settings in Partner Center. You'll still be able to set up automations for clients, but by hiding the Automations tab in Business App, you can be sure clients won't accidentally disrupt the workflows you've created. Learn more about how this works in this week's changelog article. I'm super excited to share this next update. You can now collect payment via ACH or pre-authorized debit through Vendasta payments. Supported in orders, invoices, and subscriptions, the payment methods offered adjust automatically based on the location of your client. So, when billing clients are located in the United States, you can collect payment via ACH. And when billing clients are located in Canada, you'll be presented with the option to bill them via pre-authorized debit. Customize the experience for each of your clients. When they approve their orders or receive their invoices, they'll see the payment options you've set for them and be guided through providing the required information. For recurring products and services, you can automatically charge a payment method on file, which can be from a previous payment with a valid authorization mandate for the client for all subsequent charges. You'll find each client's payment method stored in their billing settings, with the default method clearly marked. For ACH and pre-authorized debit transactions, a 1% application fee applies at the time of payment. When reviewing all of your payments, icons show the payment method used for each transaction. And thanks to a recently released update, tracking payments is easier than ever with this payment status column that shows you which invoices have been paid, are processing, or have a payment attempt fail. These updates are part of our mission to provide localized payment options so that you can easily personalize your clients' billing experiences and get paid in a way that is convenient for both parties. Stay tuned for further improvements. Another recent release in billing was the ability to set specific accounts as exempt from certain tax rates so that, say, healthcare or education institutions don't have tax rates that don't apply to them added to their invoices. However, it's not only organizations that can be exempt from some taxes, but also certain types of products and services. Now you can also apply tax exemptions to specific lines to ensure that you're applying the right tax rates for each and every item you sell. Add tax exemption rules for products or packages when sold in certain locations by setting them up in the Item Exemptions tab. This will create exemptions for all editions of a product, though you can edit them individually. Exemptions will automatically be applied to any new orders and straight through to any invoices that follow. There are loads of improvements arriving in the Partner Center CRM these days. Remember that on June 24th, Sales and Success Center will no longer be offered to new partners. All current Vendasta partners will retain access, but with all the new value being added to the Partner Center CRM each week, you'll want to move your sales operations over as soon as possible. If you're not currently using Sales and Success Center, now is the time to bring your sales operations into the Vendasta platform. Here are the latest updates now available in the Partner Center CRM, with many more still to come. Find Nearby Businesses is a great tool to identify new prospects for your agency to pursue. Search for coffee shops, auto dealers, and other types of local businesses and get results complete with insights on their online presence and reputation. The search results now include companies that you already have in your CRM, so you can see a full picture of which markets you have covered and where there's still opportunity for growth. To add the newly found companies to your CRM, just click the checkbox up top to select all and then create companies. Only the new companies not already in your CRM will be added, so there's no risk of duplication. When you found some new prospects, it's a good idea to run snapshot reports on them to surface opportunities for growth that can be used as selling points. You can do this directly from a campaign for maximum efficiency. Create a campaign and click Add Snapshot. This will create or refresh snapshot reports for the primary company associated with each recipient of the campaign. This is a particularly fantastic way to follow up with new contacts that you've met at conferences or local networking events. You can send snapshot reports to each person you met with tailored intelligence about their business and an offer to book a meeting they won't be able to refuse. Prospecting is just one component of a salesperson's day, and sales tasks are a great tool to help your sales teams make the best use of their time. You can filter tasks by desired criteria, such as due date, and then press Start to be taken through tasks in sequence. Now you can select specific tasks from that list to add to the queue to make sure you finish the most important tasks first. To get started, select Start Tasks and mark each task as done as you complete them. Speaking of productivity, the easier it is for your sales managers to monitor the activity of their team members, the better able they'll be to guide their teams to better performance. Productivity of each salesperson can be evaluated from the Sales Leaderboard in Partner Center. Not only can you see revenue generation by salesperson, but also activity, pulled from the activities log to companies and contacts in the CRM. View inbound and outbound calls and emails along with meetings within a month, a year, or a custom period. You can even sort by a certain activity type and toggle between totals and averages to get the insights needed to lead your sales team towards bigger and better results. Accounts in Partner Center are designed to keep financial records related to your customers and the payouts you receive from Vendasta cleanly organized, separate from marketing, sales, and customer relationship activities that your sales team manage from company records in the CRM. As a result, any companies that become customers will have a corresponding account, and many details such as name, address, phone number, etc. will overlap. To help you maintain accurate records, we sync this information across the two record types. Any fields that are connected show the syncing icon, so when you update a company or account, you can rest assured that its corresponding record will automatically be updated to match. As your sales teams transition from Sales and Success Center and get to know their way around the Partner Center CRM, they'll be happy to see that they can impersonate client contacts so that they can access Business App through their customer's perspective. Impersonating a client in Business App is a great way to provide a custom demo or to jump in and help a client as needed. In conjunction with the centralization of sales operations in Partner Center, you'll notice a cleaner, clearer navigation menu on Monday, June 24th. By prioritizing the spaces and tools you use the most and renaming some sections to better reflect the role they play in your day-to-day operations, the navigation will provide you and your team with pathways and workflows that will get you where you want to go more swiftly. I'm so excited to see more of our partners move their sales teams into Partner Center and explore all that it has to offer. As I mentioned earlier, if you're not currently using Sales and Success Center, now's the time to bring your sales operations into the Vendasta platform. Any partners who have not previously white-labeled their Sales and Success Center will see a new Partner Center button that will bring them over to the new CRM. New salespeople added to your team will receive a welcome email that will direct them to Partner Center, where they will only see the CRM components to which you've given them access. For those of you who have white-labeled your Sales and Success Center, you can contact our support team for help setting up your custom domain for Partner Center. We're here to help. That's what's new at Vendasta. Go check out these exciting improvements and let us know what you think. As always, you'll find a full recap of this week's releases in the changelog on roadmap.vendasta.com. Join us next week to hear all about what's coming soon.